Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for loan on Palmpay. If you are ready to access a loan on Palmpay, here's a step-by-step guide on how to get started. First of all, download the Palmpay loan app from your app store. The Palmpay loan app download is available for Android and iOS users. Then once the app is downloaded, go through the Palmpay login process. You will need to register an account if you don't already have one. After that, verify your identity. For security and regulatory purposes, Palmpay requires you to verify your identity. Ensure you provide accurate information, including your BVN or bank verification number to speed up the verification process. Now, check loan eligibility. Palmpay has a system in place to access your loan eligibility based on your credit score, transaction history, and income. After verification, navigate to the loan section to see if you qualify. Then request your loan. If you are eligible, select the loan amount you will need and complete the loan request process. You will usually receive an approval within minutes. Finally, once approved, the loan is disbursed directly into your Palmpay wallet ready to use immediately. And that's it. Thanks for watching.